Analysts predict significant volatility in the near future, with a potential drop to $25,000 for the price of Bitcoin. In this Bitcoin price forecast, we'll examine the viewpoints of analysts that anticipate a lot of volatility in the short term, with a possible dip to the $25,000 mark. Understanding the elements that affect price movements becomes essential for traders and investors as the cryptocurrency market continually changes and fluctuates. We hope to offer insights into potential short-term trends and important levels to watch in the Bitcoin market in this update. Spurs banking collapse, positive momentum recovery for Bitcoin. Silicon Valley Bank, Signature Bank, and First Republic are the three mid-sized U.S. banks that U.S. regulators have shuttered and sold since the beginning of March. The number of failures is the greatest to have affected the U.S. since the 2008 financial crisis. Credit Suisse, a significant global actor in the financial crisis, is being pressured into a rescue plan alongside rival UBS in Europe. Customers withdrew significant sums of cash out of fear about the safety of their money, which caused the crashes. People's confidence in banks is declining as those in the USA, Europe, and the UK collapse, which encourages more people to turn to cryptocurrency due to its decentralized nature. Additionally, U.S. Secretary Janet Yellen predicted that the country would reach its debt ceiling in June, which put additional pressure on the US dollar and helped to support the price of BTC, USD. Increasing interest in new network technology coincides with Bitcoin breaking its daily transaction record. As interest in ordinals, a protocol that broadens the applications of the blockchain, has increased, Bitcoin recently broke its previous record for daily transactions. The daily volume of Bitcoin transactions increased to 682,009 on Monday, breaking the previous record of 568,300 established the day before, according to data from BitInfoCharts. This number was over 78,000 above the previous top, which was attained during the 2017 bull market. The majority of these transactions were fueled by ordinals, which resembled NFT minting in that it allowed users to incorporate data into the blockchain of Bitcoin. An increased user base and an increase in transactions were caused by how convenient it is to invest in cryptocurrencies and make international payments. Increasing interest in Bitcoin before the election cycle. Recent remarks made by Robert F. Kennedy Jr., a candidate for the U.S. presidency, seem to have strengthened support for Bitcoin. The Democratic contender thinks that the war on crypto is to blame for the unrest in the U.S. financial industry. He claims that the SEC and FDIC lack the legal power to continue their campaign against cryptocurrency, which is hurting the nation's major banks. He went on to say that those who argue against Bitcoin because of how much energy it consumes are simply misinterpreting the idea. The value of the market is also influenced by the political attention that cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin are receiving ahead of the forthcoming election season. Bitcoin price BTC, USD is currently trading at $28,689, up 2.33% over the previous 24 hours on Wednesday. The number of Bitcoin transactions made on a daily basis reached a record high on Monday. Following recent bank failures, investor confidence has returned, driving up the price of Bitcoin. A double top pattern is supporting the considerable resistance that Bitcoin is currently facing near the $28,750 mark. The price of Bitcoin may move towards the next target level of $29,300 if a bullish breakout occurs above this particular level. BTC may aim for the next target of $30,000, which also serves as a psychological resistance level, if the rising trend persists. The 50-day exponential moving average, which had previously served as a support area near the $28,800 level, has been broken by Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. The RSI and MACD indicators suggest a likely downturn for Bitcoin's price today, while the candlestick patterns indicate a predominantly bearish sentiment in the market. A trend line that can be seen on the 4-hour chart at the $27,600 level may provide immediate support for Bitcoin. BTC may be headed for the next support level at $27,200 if the price breaks through this crucial $27,600 barrier.